Alright gang, we are going to show you how to replace the parking light on a Mercedes-Benz. This is a 05 C230 Compressor Sport Sedan. And here is the marker light in question. Okay, and here are the tools that you're going to need. A couple of flathead screwdrivers. Here's the bulbs, or the bulb that you'll want. So here is the marker light. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and gently pry it out like this. And so as you go forth, I've already done it because I didn't want to, it's kind of hard to film, but basically very gently you pry the corner, and then you would put a screwdriver, another flathead screwdriver in here to just stick it in there to keep the light coming out, and you slowly work it, and then this clip that you can see where my finger is right here, that snaps in, and so this whole thing will pop out. Now here is the socket here, which slides into the obviously the inlet. This socket has a rubber grommet on it. So what you're going to do is you'll get your pliers. Okay, and so with your pliers, what you would do is when you have the socket out in your hand, you're going to put them right on the top of the bulb here, right above that O-ring, and you would just gently twist it, and it'll pop right out. Now, this is the old bulb here, burnt out, and these snap right in to the socket here. You can see that pretty clear, and it would just snap right in like that. So when you go to replace it, you're just going to pull it out like that. Okay, so we'll do this process. Okie doke, so let's go ahead and put the new bulb in. These are 168s, that's the number. And they call it a marking lamp or a parking lamp because it's going to be the same thing. And the parking lamps are the ones that go right next to the headlights. So when you're going to do this, obviously you try to keep your greasy hands off of the bulbs if you can. And we're just going to snap this in. So there it is. Now, let's just go ahead and make sure that it works, because, boy, have I made that mistake before. It's a Mercedes. Click on. And we're going to go ahead and slide the thing. And now you can see these detents. And if you look here at the socket, you can see that on the housing here, you see the detents. So we want to make sure that we get those in like so. And then we twist it. And there we go, it's in. Okay, you see the detent here? Now these are going to slide in first. So those will slide in like that. Then here's our clip, and that's it. So I tell you what, if you're an idiot guy like me, I hope this video helps, because I was thinking I had to get under here and do all this crazy stuff, and I'm not even going to tell you what I did. So I thought, you know what? You all need to know how to do this, because this is damn easy, and I made it damn hard. So y'all take care, behave yourselves, don't do anything I wouldn't do.